What is up? It's your boy, and you're bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today I have one for the newbies. So you just got a brand new Toyota Tacoma SR5 TRD Pro, whatever it is that you got. There's some features that I don't think everybody knows about. For sure, there's gonna be one feature in this video that I know you don't know about. Hopefully, if this is right, you already know. Leave a like. If it's wrong, leave a comment. But if I already said if I got it right. Okay, anyways, I've already made a video like this, and in that video I didn't include these three. One of these I already knew about, another one of these I had heard about, but one of these I just found out. So this is news to me, but let's get started with number one. So I had just bought my first Toyota Tacoma SR5. Now this one was in 2019. I was super stoked, super excited, and I was new. It was my first ever brand new vehicle. I don't know about you, but all I've heard about dealerships is that they were. So with that mindset, when I saw this, I freaked out. Waited until they were closed, went into the dealership to check if every other truck had the same thing. They did. No, it's something that Toyota does, almost like an orange peel type of texture down here versus up here is smooth. So orange peel all the way down here, and then up here it's smooth. You can kind of see it fade away into smooth. That's great. It's actually a very, very, very big plus that Toyota does on their trucks versus some other manufacturers. Now, the reason they do it is obviously you kick up a bunch of gunk at your truck, and down here it's just more protective versus up here. So kudos to you, Toyota. Thank you for not scamming me. Number two is pretty cool if you use your bed a lot. Now who am I kidding? I don't really use it that much, but it's all the way back there. This one isn't installed on the truck, but you have the option to install it, which I think is very, very neat, and that's over here. You see these railings? So I thought it was only those two. Like, I thought that's kind of it. But Toyota was nice enough to actually install the bolts for you. So literally all you have to do, take the bolts out, buy this, put it in there, and you have more bolting points. I don't know. Obviously, it kind of sucks that they don't include it, but it's nice enough that they actually offer it. So if you need it, it's super sick, super cool. I'm kind of upset that I just now realized it. Still cool though. Oh, I forgot my phone was there. All right, so this one goes inside the truck. This one is the best one that I've figured out so far. I've saved the best for last. As you guys can see over there, we have one of our seats down. I personally like it that way. If someone needs to sit here, which is very rare, they can sit here, whatever the case may be, fine, nice and dandy. Over there though, something isn't right. Something isn't sitting right. Let me show you what it is. So I folded my seat down and I was like, okay, where do I put this thing at? Because if it goes in there, it kind of takes up the storage that, well, I need. Also, I didn't want to stick it this way, an accident waiting to happen. Also, I'm very clumsy, so again, accident waiting to happen. But look at this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Are you catching my drift? I don't know if Toyota meant for this to happen. Did you know this? Did you know this? I had no idea. Literally no idea that that was a thing. I saw a hole, I saw a stick. So now I can actually keep my bag here, keep that cubby storage there. It just works. It works a lot better than having this rattle around or sit there waiting for me to grab it and just jam my hand on it. And it works for those two as well. It's something I didn't know about and I haven't seen, which is pretty sick. I think that's really cool. Also, bonus feature, you can put your seatbelt into this little pocket right here. With two hands, it's a lot easier, I promise. That way, it's not in the way and it looks a lot cleaner. If someone needs it, then they can pull it out at that time. But if not, you have a very clean back seat and super cool. I don't know, I'm a big fan of that. Alrighty, man, well, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. The last feature I definitely did not know about, and when I found out, mind blown. But with that being said, let me know, are there any hidden features that you think I don't know about? There probably is, like probably a lot. These are 3 that I recently found out about, or 3 that I know most people aren't aware of. But nonetheless, it's been your boy, I'm Like an Audio. See you tomorrow, Cinco de Malo, peace.